Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Pro X Superlight not connecting. As you can see, I am in the official website of Reddit where the people provide their reviews about a specific product or specific problem. Here you will see the problem and the solution. The solution is that plug the device dongle into your computer and navigate to your G Hub. In the top right, press the settings cogwheel and within that screen use the device pairing tool. It will update the dongle and should work now. The second fix is that delete GHub and install the latest GHub for 2024. When installing, remove both the receiver and the mouse from your PC. After installation is complete, plug in the receiver only and then go to settings and click on device pairing tool. You will get a warning telling you that your receiver has a firmware upgrade. Click on upgrade and then you will be able to click on the install button. After the firmware has installed, plug in the mouse using a USB cable and then go back to your device pairing tool. Select your receiver and the mouse to pair. When it is paired, remove the cable from the mouse and turn it off and then on again. You will be able to use your mouse wirelessly after that. So these are the solutions provided by the people. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.